The district chairperson, the political leaders here present, the DO, the technical staff present, the chairperson, Esther, and your team, the participants here present. Good evening, participants. Good evening, participants. Why is it only the ladies answering? Is it because I am a woman? Is it because I am a woman? Therefore, let me take the pleasure to welcome all of you, the participating team into Agago district. I also want to take this opportunity and thank all the female participants for participating in this game actively. I am proud of you girls. In the interest of time, not my interest, but in the interest of time, I may not speak much today. We are told that after some few minutes, we shall be having some games here. And therefore, we don't need to waste a lot of time. But otherwise, I have carried a lot to share with you, the participants. But before I sit down, I want to tell you that I have also been a very great sportswoman. I have my colleagues here. I can see Ojogo Brian is here. I can see Ogili is here. I can see the short man is here. I can see my student Asuman somewhere, the coach of Sacred Heart. I have seen my OG, one of the 9 women around. She's there, she's breastfeeding, I think. So when I talk about sports, or when we talk about sports, I know the value, and I value sports very much. And I want to advise you, the participants, that the game teachers who are here, the head teachers who have come here, they have come to identify the best sportswomen or the sportsmen here. And as the DO has said, it is very important that you play to your best. Play to your best. You never know, maybe tomorrow if you are identified by one of the schools around here, you will save your parents from the burden of paying school fees. Ugiri used to be very good in that, in snatching the good players. So they have come to snatch from other schools. So this is an opportunity for you to play to your best. When I was in Gulai school, my teacher used to tell me that discipline is the multi-dimensional phenomena, and it will be upon you to ensure that you display discipline here. I don't want to speak much. I want to thank you, and I want to congratulate all of you, the team, And as someone said, I want to wish all of you the best. I said also, if a Bago district wins, I'll also jubilate them more. But it will also be very bad if I don't congratulate my district. I want to thank you for coming. With these few remarks, I want to officially declare this game. I want to officially declare this game open.
Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.𝕊𝕡𝕢𝕟𝕚𝕟𝕚